Hello! I haven't forgotten that I've got a YouTube channel and I need to keep making videos and putting videos out. It's been a bit of a while since I put the last video out and I thought I better do an update. Actually, it was meant to be a full-blown video on doing some odds and ends and tying up some loose ends that need doing before some of the big changes that I'm putting into the channel to make it even better for all of you guys watching, the viewers, the subscribers, the channel members. You all deserve to have more videos coming out with more stuff going on. Idiot, than there has been going on recently. But you know that thing that's going around on all social media at the moment. You know, it's that sort of that 2 hours fixing the car. It'll be the best 5 hours it's ever taken you to spend 16 hours to find that one screw you're looking for. That's something like that that's going around on all social media at the moment. Well, the stuff I was supposed to be doing has been held up by one screw. I have a screw missing. You know what it's like. You take something apart on a car, and then months later, when you go to put it back together, you've forgotten where all the bits are. Well, there's 4 screws, well, 2 bolts and 2 screws. I found the 2 bolts. Handily, I had put the 2 bolts in the holes where they belong, and one of the screws I had left in the holes where it belongs. However, there's one missing. So I've come out here to the depths of the deep, dark garage current charger cave that you're sitting on in a minute to try and find it. And quite happily, I've managed to find something else that I need, which is an orange bulb. More on that later. That will become very important later on. At least, hopefully it will. In the meantime, though, I'm still looking for a screw. It's not that kind of channel. Stop it. The screw that I've misplaced and I need to find, because I can't finish what I'm doing unless I find that screw. And now, of course, the sun's going down, it's getting darker, it's starting to get a little bit dull in here, and there's no lights in here yet because the wall blown when the roof was leaking and everything. But in the meantime, I've got all this lot to go through here. I've got a couple of boxes to go through over there on the other side of the garage. Hopefully, I'll find the screw I need and I can finish doing the video tomorrow, and then you can all say it tomorrow night. And I can hear you all saying in the background there, especially you right at the back, I can hear you saying now and mumbling amongst yourselves, but Nige, what about all these changes? These changes they mentioned, what's going to be happening? Are you closing the channel down? Are you doing something else? Are you moving to another country? Have you finally found that huge, massive warehouse in deepest, darkest Tennessee to store all those wonderful cars in? And the answer to that is no. Even if I had found that lovely warehouse in deepest, darkest Tennessee, I probably wouldn't be able to put a down payment on it anyway. So that's not happening. No, what is happening though, so far on the channel and all of the videos I've done, you've seen me do filming of car shows I've been to, events I've been to. You've seen me get cars that don't have MOTs, get them through the MOT. You've seen me with some of my cars that have failed the MOT and I've fixed them and I've get them through the MOT. But that's all boring, run-of-the-mill stuff. I mean, how many times can you watch something like a brake pipe going in or replacing a flasher unit so you can get hazard lights working so you can grab your MOT. All the stuff that you haven't seen yet that I know you're looking forward to seeing, such as the welding, the engine building, the gearbox building, all that kind of stuff and all the various repairs that lie within that, and the new cars arriving and the new vehicles arriving, all that kind of stuff. The stuff you haven't seen in, well, ever, to be precise, because I don't think I've ever done any welding videos on the channel. Well, all that's going to... Oh, that bulb might not fit. Anyway, all that's going to be changing. So there is going to be two major changes, in as much as one of them is 2 cars are going to have to leave. I've run out of space. I have no space left whatsoever. I did put the word around that I was out of space and something had to go, and I offered to sell me hedge to people, so I'd have more space for like another couple of cars. But nobody seems to want that hedge, so that hedge will be getting ripped out, and I'll make space that way. But anyway, there are still 2 cars that are going to have to go. You'll have to keep watching the videos and subscribe if you're not already subscribed to see which 2 cars are going. But 2 cars are going, and there's one that's going to be coming in. Now, I've found a bunch of them I need to go look at. I haven't actually bought anything yet, but I found a bunch of them I need to go look at. So I'm busy next week. So I'll try and get a video out tomorrow. And the other big change I'm doing is, instead of doing videos every couple of days, not every 2 or 3 days, where I do 15 to 20 minutes of fitting this or taking that off or dismantling that or getting that going, the videos are going to be slightly longer and they're going to be weekly. So the videos will be out every Friday night at 7 o'clock, including this one. It's 6:05. I better get a move on and get this edited so you can see it in about 55 minutes. But yeah, well, one of the big changes is all the videos will be coming out once a week. They'll be coming out on Friday night at 7 o'clock every Friday night, and that gives me time to have the entire week to film the video, make it a bit longer video, more in-depth video. You'll get to see more. Hopefully you'll get to enjoy it more, and with them coming out weekly on a Friday at 7 p.m, you'll be able to sit down and watch them just as your weekend starts. So if you want to do anything that I'm doing over the course of the weekend, hopefully you might see something in there and you'll be, oh, that's how you do that. And that might work out well for you. Of course, the other big change is the work that's going to be done on the cars, especially this one, Charger that you sat on. Got to sort the roof out on that. So I'm going to cut the roof off that at some point. Look forward to that. Well, you might. I'm not. I'm dreading doing that. Welding to be done not only on the Charger, but there's welding to be done on the Hilux, and there's a couple of others I think might need a little bit of welding. So we'll get into that. We'll get everything done. There's going to be engine building. I will finally let you know what's underneath that plastic over there in the corner under the workbench that I've been hinting at for months now and still never shown you what it is. And a couple of other surprises that I've got lying around in the house that I haven't told you I've got yet either. So hopefully that's all going to go really well. You're all going to look forward to seeing that. The subscriber count hopefully is going to climb, and the channel's going to grow and it's going to get bigger. The more revenue the channel makes by people just watching it, that's all you've got to do. I do have memberships running. You don't need to be a member if you don't want to be a member or you can't afford to be a member. They're there as an option. If you're a subscriber, thank you very much for subscribing. Hopefully a lot more people will subscribe. If you're just a viewer and you dip in every now and then, thank you for doing that. The best thing you can do for me is to watch the adverts if you have adverts. If you don't have adverts and you have YouTube Premium, that's even better because I get a percentage of that as well. So the more revenue I can make off the channel, the more toys I can play with, the more things I can do with the toys. And it's going to be absolutely fantastic, especially if the weather keeps up like this. It's been amazing today, but typically it's bank holiday weekend. It's supposed to rain over the course of, I think later on this evening, it's supposed to rain. Anyway, I've got to get this edited. So I'm going to finish, put this bulb in my pocket. Hopefully it's the one that I need. It will fit. I'm going to search through here and over there. Hopefully find the screw that I need for tomorrow morning and get that video, those bits and pieces done on that video. And I'll tell you more on all of that one. And then, well, I'll see you in the next video next week, next Friday night, 7 o'clock. Bye for now.